Today I will show you how to make a bill. First, I will create a table. In this table I will record customer bill information. Here I will put a customer's agreement number, bill amount, everything. Now I will make it. Now I will create a page for making a bill. Here I enter the page name for the bill. I will enter the page name as bill information. First, I need to make a region for this page. In this step, enter a name for this region. Now, I need to make 2 page items under this region. So, I will create the first item as from. I will create the second item as to. I will set the data type of both items to date. Next, I will add a button within this region. In this step, I will enter the button name as Save. Now I need to make a process for the saving data.so. I will LGO to the process. And I create a process. Here, I have written a PL/SQL block that generates bills for agreements. First, I select all agreements from the PM_AGR_MST table using a cursor. Then, for each agreement, I check in the PM_bill table if a bill already exists for the selected month. If a bill doesn't exist, I insert a new bill with the agreement details, including customer number, bill period from and to, total amount, status as draft, and creator info. If a bill already exists, I simply skip it so we avoid duplicates. Finally, the loop continues until all agreements are processed. From here, I will copy the date format. After that, I will select the button from the server-side condition and save it. I will paste the copied date format into the page items format mask. Before inserting data, I check the bill table to see if any data exists. It shows that there is no data. Now I will enter the from and to dates and press the Save button. Then I will check the table to see if the data has been inserted. I had 2 agreements, so 2 bills have been created accordingly. If I press the Save button again, I will check whether the data is being saved. I pressed the Save button again, but the data was not saved. This means that for each month, an agreement will have only 1 bill. I will add validation in the code so that it runs when saving. If v_duplicate_count 0 means some agreements already have bills for the selected month. I need to add v_duplicate_count as a variable. After that, add an else condition with v_duplicate_count equals v_duplicate_count plus 1. Now, I will press the Save button again to try. I can see an error message saying that 2 agreements are already billed for this month. I will delete the bills and try again. Now it is working. Now I will start from creating a customer and go up to creating an agreement with a bill. I have created the customer, now I will create an agreement. There is only one item here, but I will create another item. The agreement is complete. Now I will create the bill for the current month. My bill process is not working because I have already created bills for 2 people this month. But when I try to do it again, it's giving an error. So I need to change the code in such a way that it skips the data for those who already have bills, and only creates bills for those who don't. Here, I made some changes inside the IFLs. Now you can see that bills for 2 people were already created, so they were skipped. So the result is that only 1 bill has been created. When I tried to create again, it showed that 3 agreements were skipped. The bill table previously had 2 records, and now 1 more has been added.